What if the gap between where you are and where you want to be was just 15 minutes a day? Not a miracle, not a crazy routine, just focused effort, repeated. Because the ones who rise, they don't do more. They do what matters consistently. Give me 4 minutes today, and I'll show you how to silently pull ahead of 97% of people. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 life-changing daily rituals. Short, simple, but unbelievably effective. These aren't hacks. They're not fads. These are daily disciplines used by the most successful and fulfilled people on Earth. The things they do when no one is watching, in the quiet 15 minutes that make all the difference. Let's begin. 1. Feed your mind. 10 pages that change your brain. Read 10 pages a day. That's all it takes to tap into history's greatest minds. You gain mentors without ever meeting them. Over time, your thinking sharpens, questions improve, and decisions get smarter. Reading isn't just learning, it's rewiring your brain for success. 2. Download your brain. 15-minute journaling. Your mind's like a browser with 37 tabs open. Journaling closes the chaos. Spend 15 minutes noting gratitude, lessons, and plans. Leaders write their thoughts. Others run from them. Clarity comes when you put pen to paper. And with it, better focus, decisions, and peace. 3. Control the storm. Breath as a reset. Breath controls mind. In 15 minutes of mindful breathing, you calm stress, think clearer, and create space between chaos and reaction. That gap? It's your power. You don't need to be zen, just consistent enough to respond, not react. 4. Move with purpose. 15 minutes of movement changes your brain chemistry. More energy, sharper focus, better mood. Walk, stretch, dance, whatever you'll do daily. Your body's strength fuels your mind's strength, and the momentum carries through the day. 5. Laser focus. One skill at a time. 15 daily minutes on one skill transforms you fast. Writing, coding, speaking, whatever you choose, go deep, not wide. Mastery stacks, and in a year, you'll be unrecognizable. The top 3% win by focus, not by trying everything. 6. Create before you consume. Most scroll first. Creators build first. Spend your first 15 minutes making. Write, draw, plan, record ideas. Creation compounds like interest. Every piece is a seed that can grow into something meaningful. 7. Speak up. Sharpen your voice. Opportunity flows to those who communicate clearly. Practice daily. Tell a story. Pitch an idea. Refine your tone. Small improvements stack. The loudest doesn't win. The clearest does. 8. Cut the noise. 15 minutes a week, audit your inputs and relationships. Who drains you? What content feeds you? Growth comes as much from subtraction as addition. Protect your energy like gold, because it is. 9. Own the first 15 minutes. Your first 15 minutes set your day's tone. Avoid your phone. Instead, practice gratitude. Move, read, pray. Shift from reacting to creating. The world can wait. Your mindset can't. 10. Discipline in silence. The final edge, quiet consistency. You don't announce your plans, you live them. 15 focused minutes, daily, builds an advantage no one sees until you're far ahead. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start with 15 focused minutes today. Pick one ritual, own it, watch how you change. It's not about more, it's about what matters, done daily. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to The Growth Theory for more.